All right. Topwater Tony back at it again. Fresh off the highway from the import face-off in Columbus, or near Columbus. Just made it down here to
Liberty Township, Ohio.
For the Knights at Liberty car meet. And it's already starting to pack out. So we're gonna check it out. Check out that Lambo. It's already starting to get packed out here. So we're gonna walk around and take a look at what's going on. All right, guys, check this out. Okay, now that's crazy. How's it going?
Love your YouTube.
Huh?
Love your YouTube.
Thank you. You love it more now that you're going to be on it again.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, though. We got some heavy hitters coming in right now. It's starting to get exciting. And we got some pop bang coming in. That's right. Oh, Professor, give us some words of wisdom.
I don't know anything anymore. No, we're here at what is this? Knights of Liberty. Nice weather, holding out for Ohio. It's not going to next week. And yeah, right, it is Ohio. It's hard to say what's actually going to happen, but good turnout. Not the best, not the worst, but pretty cool stuff out here. Now back to you.
Thanks, Professor. Yeah, it's looking pretty good out here. A little taste of freedom again. We'll just leave it at that. On a nice Sunday evening, this place is packed. Food trucks. We got a art truck that's got every bit of utensils or whatever on it that you can think of.
And then some.
Yeah. And some that he may have invented. So it's looking pretty good. Of course, black t-shirt is
MIA.
super late or not showing at all.
You know, we should start calling him as Black, like, Watch or something. We should get him one for like that.
Black no watch.
Anybody want to donate, send him some cheap Timex black watch. It'll match his motif. And maybe we'll set an alarm for car shows for him.
Man. It's kind of funny how I can drive all the way from Columbus and still beat him here. When he said, I'm on my way. From where? Mississippi?
He's a busy man.
Oh well. If we see him, we see him. Woo! Life with Therm.
What it do, man?
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
I am fine and tired.
Yeah, man, it's been a busy weekend.
Yes.
This meat turned out real nice, though.
How's it going, man? Hey!
Hi, everybody.
Late again. Late again.
14 grams. Dope boy tickets and diamonds and t-shirt.
You're right. Oh, come on.
Hey, how you doing tonight?
Pretty good. How are you? We gotta do it official. How's it going, man? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You got a tire sticker on there. You gotta get that off. Can we get you one?
All I have to do is look at it, right?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Good, how about you, man?
Pretty good. You must be a subscriber?
I am. Of course
Yes.
I am. Yes, sir.
Thumbs up. I appreciate that.
Okay. You definitely gotta get that copies off of it. Man, but yeah,
Quick.
yes. Yes.
You always need me. You save me some? What?
Here, you got
I
one.
ain't got. What? What is that? I see a piece.
I see a piece.
He saved me one, y'all.
How was the IFO?
Pretty damn good.
I'm mad I missed it, man.
One more time. And just like that, this meet is over. Fantastic turnout, fantastic weather, fantastic people, all that good stuff. We're off to a great season. So until the next one, I'll catch you guys later, and peace.